Hey guys, this is Leo. I wanted to show you the program I made for the denial of service attack so that we can have an activity with the students so they can see how it works. This is my command prompt. I'm going to do into my IP configuration, check my default gateway. This is the IP address of my default gateway. I'm going to ping it. The continuous ping, right? And then so it's gonna ping it, and I'm gonna get this reply back from it saying that it's connecting, that it's alive. I don't know, I can go in here, San Francisco 49ers news. You see I have connectivity. I can go anywhere. Okay, so I'm back. I'm gonna run the application. It says welcome to it. You just enter the IP address you want to flood. I'm gonna enter um, you know my default gateway IP address, spoofing our IP address so that it's masking it so no one knows that is us. Request timeout. You can actually see this happening, and that just to show the students how you can spoof and that IP address can be spoofed. I'm gonna check here. See this request timeout here. Nothing is happening. I don't know. Let's go somewhere. Bridge collapse. Google search. We have nothing is happening. Oh, we got one in. Let's see if we can just continue navigating. Now we have this going on. Nope, nothing is working. And so you see now nothing can be reached. We have an attack. So I'm gonna quit this, and everything should be back to normal. We're getting replies now, so that's good. I'm going to actually stop it and see what happened. We see you have connectivity again, right? And you can see that. So I have connectivity. Here is the packet sent and received and lost and all of that. Anyway, just wanted to show you how it worked. Hopefully this was good, and let me know what you think. Take care.